So we're gonna go for it. The battery's dead on my electric toothbrush. This is not how I was going to start this video, but here we are. I am making oatmeal. Every great oatmeal starts with water. Oh, wow, that's close. Okay. I'm actually so hungry right now, I can't even really I'm sorry, I'll get to you when I'm fed. We have some big stuff going on next week. We are actually leaving the bus. We are just so over it. I hate it, and Sean hates it, and we're giving up on the bathroom, and we're moving back home to Florida. Just kidding. We're actually just going on vacation with Sean's entire family. We do this every single year where we go down the shore in New Jersey. If you're not from New Jersey, you wouldn't know what down the shore means. We have to make sure that everything's packed up. We have to make sure that nothing's gonna, rot and be absolutely disgusting in the fridge. That's important. I would say that's number one. Actually, that's really all we have to do. As far as the bus, make sure nothing gross is in the fridge. Oh, my water's boiling already. That was fast. I have started keeping my oatmeal in this lock seal container inside of our pantry, which I love oh so much. I should show you guys my pantry. Want a tour? Simmer down. Bum ba da bum. My beautiful, amazing pantry that Sean built me. We still want to put a face up on here so that we can actually move all of these spices to the top rack. That's the goal. Ooh, Tabasco. Honestly, most of these are not designated to any one thing. Here I have some ramen. I have some nutritional yeast. Coconut oil, big essential. This stuff is so good. Don't forget a little stir, stir, stir. Oh, I try and keep the boxed almond milk just because it's easier, because I can actually keep it in the pantry, so when I'm out of the one in the fridge, I have more. How me and Sean get ready for a trip. They are complete opposites, and it would probably be pretty funny to compare the two. The first step in me packing is gonna be doing a lot of laundry because I have a lot of, there's a hair hanging on the mic. That is one thing that I really need to go through and show you. I have clothes everywhere in this bus. I think I'm also just gonna wash our sheets. I like to do that once a week. I would always wash my blankets at home once a week. In the bus, it's looking like it's gonna be more like every 2 weeks or so. Whatever. If you're judging, don't live on a bus then. Let's get this laundry party going. Hey, mister, you got a job to do. You gotta put all this stuff away.
In my suitcase doesn't exist.
Ooh, you ever do that and when you kind of put your hair down, it just smells really good. Babe, come sniff my hair. Look who's up. Oh, you probably can't smell. You're all stuffy.
Hi, I'm feeling top speed.
This isn't even what you're packing.
What do you mean?
This
yeah,
is,
it is.
No, you don't know what is here. This is just stuff that I took out of the laundry yesterday.
From the looks of it, At least
From the looks of it,
at least 60% of that stuff will come with me. I don't need that much.
it's underwear.
Oh, I wasn't planning on wearing underwear down there. It's gonna be a free ball in summer. Free ball summer.
Okay, so I think the best case scenario for my mood, my disposition, for Sean and his sanity, I think the best thing possible is for me to go for a run right now before we get too deep into cleaning up and packing and before it gets too hot outside. So I'll be back in about an hour. See what Sean has been up to.
Setting up the toilet.
You want me to sit down?
Yeah. Put it where you want it to be.
This is like another one of those little spaces in the bus that I just had to map out in my brain and kind of hope that it would come together how I imagined, you know? Like I would always just point to the bathroom and be like, oh, the toilet's gonna go there.
Uh-huh.
Here it is. You sit on it because you have broader shoulders than me.
Okay. Bye.
I just took the door off the hinge. Can I do this?
It's like magic. Alright, so I'm drilling into the masonry, which be the stone, and I'm using a masonry drill bit.
Fully functioning. So I guess when you poop, you just reach over and it... Sean, you can't leave this spot until you're done going through that drawer.
Do I want my Jimmy shirt? Do I want my peen shirt?
No,
Tell me that
don't break that.
doesn't that look like a peen? I don't love these tables, sorry.
Then why didn't you return them and get me my money back? This is what you do. I bought Sean a pair of like $100
100. Give me a break. Hold on.
I bought Sean running shoes that were like $150 running shoes. And he wore them maybe twice, probably once. I think he went on one run with them and said you didn't like the color. They were black and white shoes, and he wanted more colorful shoes.
Is that a crime? Is that a crime to want something? Jeez. Good.
We are pretty much ready to go. Sean and I were actually just doing something super fun. Just got a drone yesterday, so that means that you can expect a whole lot of new shots and really cool videos and great hiking, you know, footage and all that. So we were testing it out over in the field. I definitely need to get a little bit smoother with the flying. We have everything packed here. The next time that you guys see us, we will be on vacation. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you can stay up to date with all of our travels and adventures. Our crazy life living on a school bus. We will catch you next week.